I've gone through dozens of mousepads over the years. For the longest time, cloth was the undisputed king, from old school SteelSeries QCK Heavy to premium Japanese artisan pads like the Artisan Zero and the Control Heavy Type 99. Cloth has been the competitive esports standard because of one thing: stopping power. Fun fact, when I first started playing FPS games, I actually used a hard pad. But I always came back to cloth because tactical shooters demand that extra stability. But today, we're looking at something that claims to bridge the gap. This is the Clustrs Glasspad, a tempered glass surface engineered to give you the speed of a hard pad with a precise control to lock down your aim. So inside the box, we have the Glasspad itself. I went with the color white, which features a clean, dark Clustrs logo on the bottom right of this mousepad. I specifically chose white to match both my Superstrike and my Viper V4 Pro, and it looks amazing on the desk. As for accessories, this comes bundled with a glass cleaner and stickers to get you started. So this mousepad is 6-layered coating. It repels sweat, dust, and oils. Unlike cloth pads that develop slow muddy spots over time, this offers uniform friction across the entire surface. This glass pad has a micro-etched tempered glass surface, so instead of being ultra slick where your mouse drifts away, it has some surface roughness to balance the mid-range and actually give you stopping power, and the durability is excellent too. This pad won't slip on your desk because it has the rubber underneath, so it's going to be very stable. Not only is it very stable, I think they look good on the desk. So let's talk about gaming performance. I used this mouse playing Valorant and CS2. I thought there was going to be an adjustment period from going from cloth to glass, and to my surprise, I was just as consistent, but this could also be because of muscle memory. If you buy one of these, and if your aim isn't right, just give it some time and I guarantee you will be able to adjust. But let me talk about how I actually aim. I used to be an arm aimer, but I lacked some space, so I ended up being a hybrid aimer, and I never came back. So if you're like me, when you use your wrist a lot for micro adjustments and big swipes for your whole arm, then this could actually be a good fit for you. Just be aware that these might actually eat up a lot of your mouse's skates. When I play, I don't actually wear a sleeve like other people do, and I figured that it's still okay and it doesn't bother me at all. But if you want to game for a long time, I suggest arm sleeves as it repels sweat, and this will definitely help if you live in a humid or extremely warm area. For the gaming performance, I tried both my Viper V4 Pro and the Logitech Superstrike, and let me start by saying that the speed of this glass pad is in between the FX0 and the Type 99. So if the FX0 is too fast for you and the Type 99 is too slow, this is the balance you're looking for. With that said, when using the Logitech mouse, you actually get a lot of control because the Logitech Superstrike skates are a lot slower than the Viper V4 Pro. If you are looking to be faster, the Viper V4 Pro is the mouse you'll want to pair with this. The V4 Pro has faster skates and it feels like you can just glide here forever. Here's a sound comparison of the two. Alright, so let's wrap this up. So who is this mousepad actually for? Surprisingly, if you're tired of cloth pads and you just want a consistent glide and never have to worry about getting another mousepad, then this could be for you. Again, this is in between the FX0 and the Type 99, so if you are that person looking for the balance of those two, then this is it. If you are looking to buy this pad, I'll drop a discount code in my comment section and I'll also put it in the tiles over here underneath. And if you enjoyed watching this video, leave me a like, a subscribe, as it truly helps the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.